does it feel like to be married? See it in your mind's eye. You're married. Your husband is laying next to you. What does that feel like? You wake up in the morning and there's warmth. It's this body next to you. This person that you love, you adore, you cherish, you respect. He admires you. You admire him. He is your best friend. He is your life partner. He's the one who's there for you through the thick and thin. He's the one that you may have disagreements with, but you love him regardless. How does it feel to have such a person in your life? How does it feel to finally be with that person? He's in your bed, you're having breakfast together, you're taking walks, you're walking with your dog, you're going away on vacation. You may have a rough day and he's the first person that you call because you know he can help you, he can calm you down, he can reassure you that everything is going to be okay. What does that feel like to you? Tap into the feelings, get clear on the emotions. Feel the feelings now. And repeat as often as possible. Feel the feelings. Finally, number 4, it's all about action. And not only action, we only focus here on inspired action.